Bomb. Hello, Bomb.
No teacher.
How are you? Are you still in your hometown, Bomb? Oh, okay, I see. You're still
Hello
in
teacher.
hometown. Okay, so how are you today?
I'm great.
Yeah, that's good to know. What did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I go with my father to the supermarket.
Oh, you went with your dad in the supermarket. Okay, that sounds fun. Okay, so now let me share my screen, Bomb, and yeah, we will have lesson 9. When was the last time you were sick? Okay, can you answer this question for me? When was the last time you were sick?
Uh, uh, 3 days ago.
No, what happened?
Uh, I have runny nose and feel tired and felt
Oh,
tired.
okay. So, how are you feeling now? How are you feeling?
Uh, uh, great, better.
A lot better. That's good to hear. So, what did you do to feel better? Did you sleep? Did you drink medicine?
Uh, I took rest and took took some medicine.
Okay, I see. And I believe your grandparents, your aunts and uncles are there as well to take ca- take good care of you as well as your dad. So now we'll have exercise. One. Okay, so can you tell me what does it mean when we say cold?
Uh, cold is uh like when the summer, no, the winter is cold.
Okay, yes, the winter is cold. Okay, so which means bomb it has a low temperature. It gets chilly. Okay, so that is cold. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Is it hot today or cold?
Today is hot.
Okay, because it's summer, I see. Do you live near the beach? Do you live near the beach?
Can you say again?
Do you live near the beach?
I don't understand.
Oh, wait. Okay. Do you live near the beach?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, fine. Now, next one we have hot.
Uh,
What does it mean?
mm,
What do you think, Bomb? Okay, so when we say hot, it means it is not not cold. Okay. So when we say hot, it is having a high temperature. High temperature if it's hot, but if it's cold, it's low temperature. Okay. So, or you can just directly tell me when we say cold, it's not hot, but it's hot, it is not cold. Okay, that is okay as well. Now, what about well? Well, I feel well today.
well is like a great, good.
Yes, that's right, Bomb. Okay, so when we say well, it means person is healthy. He or she is not sick or ill. Okay, he is or she is feeling good. Okay, there you have it. Now, what about ill?
Uh, ill is um like sick.
Hmm? Yes, you feel sick. You are not well. You are unwell, okay? Not healthy, okay? So that is ill. So what about tired? Tired.
Uh, ti uh, uh, when when we do something uh to a lot of time, we will feel tired.
Okay, yes, exactly. If we did a lot of tasks, a lot of things the whole day, you feel tired. You want to sleep or rest. Okay, it is the feeling wherein you need rest or sleep. Okay, that is tired. Are you tired today?
No,
Oh, no, you're not. Good thing. Did you eat already, Bomb? Did you eat dinner?
no,
Oh, not yet. What time do you eat dinner?
uh, uh, 6:30 p.m. I will eat.
Oh, okay. So 6:30. Okay. So now let us proceed to terrible.
Uh, I don't know this word.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. When we say terrible, Bomb, it means something is very bad, unpleasant, or serious. Like, for example, the food at the restaurant is just terrible, which means it tastes very bad. Okay? It's terrible.
Yes,
Okay, next one. Now, what about miserable?
vegetable is uh like tired.
Is it the same as tired? Okay, so now when
Uh,
we say miserable, Bomb, it is different to tired because when we say tired again, it means you want to sleep or rest because your body is telling you that it needs sleep or rest. However, miserable, it means you are not happy, okay? You are not comfortable, okay? And it is causing you unhappiness or discomfort. Okay, so that is miserable, Bomb. Wait, let me translate this one for you.
khốn khổ,
Okay, that is miserable. Do you get it now, Bomb?
yes.
Okay. You now the last one we have healthy.
Uh, healthy. Uh, uh,
When we say healthy, it means you are not what? Not you are not sick, Bomb. You are not ill, which means you are in a good physical condition. Okay, so when we say healthy, you can just directly say not sick or ill. Okay, that is healthy. Now let me show you the definition of it. Okay, so it means you are in a good health. Just like how you're feeling now, you are in good health. So now let us and all you have to do here is to tell me which of the vocabulary items are good ways to feel and which are bad ways to feel. Okay, so now like for example, cold is a bad way to feel. Well is a good way to feel. Now let us have hot.
uh, hot is a bad way to feel.
Yeah, that's correct. What about ill?
Feel is a bad way to feel.
What about tired?
Tired is a bad way to feel.
That's correct. What about terrible?
Uh, terrible is a bad way to feel.
Miserable.
Uh, miserable is a bad way to feel.
Okay, and the last one we have healthy.
Healthy is a good way to feel.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Bomb. Thank you so much. So now let us have exercise to vocabulary. The first one is fever. Do you know what it means when we say fever?
Uh, uh, fever is um, like sick.
Okay, yes, that is right, Bomb. So when we say fever, it means you have a high body temperature. Okay, you can say that a person has a fever when your body temperature is higher than normal, usually because of an illness. Okay. Do you know what this is called?
I don't know.
But have you seen this one before?
Yes.
Okay. In English, we call it thermometer. Thermometer. Can you say it? Thermometer.
Uh, can you say again?
Thermometer. Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Yes. Okay. So that will tell us our body temperature. Okay. So next one now. We also have, okay, can you tell me what's the matter with him? What's the matter with him, Bomb?
Uh,
Do you know this? Okay, let me show it to you. What's the matter with him?
Rush.
Okay, yes. Or if you'd answer in a complete sentence, you would say he has a rash. Okay, so have you seen this one? Have you got this one before? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so when we say rash, it is the red and irritated spots on your skin. Just like what you can see in this picture right here. The red ones, the red spots, those are rash. Okay, next one now. What's the matter with her?
Uh, she has a stomach ache.
Okay, yes, very good. So, what does it mean when we say stomach ache? What does it mean?
Uh, Stomach ache is uh the stomach is feel bad.
Okay, yes, that is right. Your stomach hurts. Okay, there is a pain or discomfort in your belly. Very good. Now, what about this picture right here? What's the matter with him?
He has a uh headache.
Okay, yes, and just like stomach ache, when we say headache, it means his head hurts. Okay, head hurts. Okay, what about this one? What's the matter with him?
Uh, he has a backache.
Very good. Okay, he has a backache. And in here, it's not the stomach, it's not the head, but it is his back. Okay, the back portion of our body that hurts. Now, the last one, what's the matter with her?
Uh, he she has a cold.
Do you know what cold means, Bomb? Cold?
Cold. Uh, uh, feel bad and not hot.
Okay, yes, it is when you feel the symptoms like you're sneezing, coughing, and you have a runny nose. That is when you can say that you have a cold. Okay, so now let us practice. Tell me what's the matter with each of them. Okay, let us start with this person. What's the matter with him?
Uh, he has a headache.
Very good. What's the matter with her?
She has a stomach ache.
Very good. What's the matter with him?
He has a backache.
Great job. What's the matter with him?
He has a rash.
Right. Right. What's the matter with her?
She has a fever.
Very good. And what's the matter with her?
She has a cold.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, can you tell me what is he doing?
She is uh, uh drink lots of water.
Okay, yes. Yes. Okay, after is are and we will add ing, right? So we'll say not he is drink, but he is drinking a lot of water. Okay, he is drinking a lot of water. Now we drink a lot of water, to stay hydrated, especially if we are sick. And with the weather we have right now, that it's really hot, we have to drink a lot of water. Do you drink a lot of water, Bomb?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, that's good. Do you drink soda? Do you drink soda?
What?
Do you drink soda? Soda.
Uh, no.
Oh, no, you don't? Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite.
No.
Oh no, wow. Okay. You're very healthy, Bomb. Now, next one. What is she doing?
Uh, she is stay in bed.
Mm-hmm, yeah. She's staying in bed. Now, staying in bed, Bomb, it just means that you are resting by lying when you feel unwell, okay? Like what you did probably 3 days ago. You stay in bed so you can recover easily and faster. Okay, now what about in here? What's he doing?
Uh, he is taking some medicine.
Very good. Okay, taking some medicine. Where do we buy medicine?
Uh, he
Where?
buys at uh drugstore.
Yes, very good. At the drugstore. Okay. Or we also call this pharmacy or chemist. They mean the same thing. It's a place where you can buy medicine. Now, moving on. What about her? Where is she going?
Uh, she is going to the doctor.
Yes. When was the last time you went to the doctor?
Uh, I don't remember.
Oh, okay. So you're very healthy, Bob. Okay, that's really nice. Now we also have this picture. What is he doing?
He is resting.
Okay, yes, he is resting. He is relaxing. Okay, avoiding too much activity to recover quickly. And the last one, what is he having?
Uh, she having a hot drink.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Okay, so in here, we will only drink a hot drink to like for example tea to soothe symptoms. Okay, so that is what we do. Now let us have this one and we'll end. Okay, can you tell me what is he doing?
Uh, he is resting.
Very good. Where is he going?
Uh, she is going to the drugstore.
Very good. What is he doing?
Uh, he is drinking lots of water.
Very good. Where is he going?
Uh, she is going to the doctor.
Very good. Okay, what about her? What is she having?
Uh, she having a hot drink.
Great job. And the last one, what is he taking?
Uh, he is taking some medicine.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Great job. I'm really happy that you're able to remember it all. Now you can eat your dinner with your family. Thank you so much. Bye. Be safe there, Bomb.
Goodbye, teacher.